Hello guys and welcome to a new math video. And you're probably wondering why I'm at this screen. I usually start at the lesson plan screen, but today we finished this last time. And now we're on to Unit 2! Yay! And from my last video I still have a cold. So Or was it a sore throat? I think I have both, to be honest. So we're gonna do understand the concept of area. Click begin lesson button to view this lesson. Mrs. Hall is having a picnic. She has 3 picnic blankets. How are the blankets the same and different?
There are many ways we can describe how Mrs. Hall's picnic blankets are the same and different. Right away we notice they are different colors, one orange, one pink, and one yellow. Next we see the blankets are all rectangles, and they all have patterns of squares. We can also measure the blankets to compare them. We can use the squares as units to help us think about the dimensions of each rectangle. We notice that the orange and pink blankets both have a width of 2 units, but the yellow blanket is 3 units wide. The orange and yellow blankets have the same length, 4 units, but the pink blanket is longer. It is 6 units long. Finally, we can think about the size of each blanket. The orange blanket is the smallest because it has only 8 squares.
So, I'm going to open up my paint tool, and let's see. So we're going to draw all of this blanket. Now, the T is the best out of every single one of these. Let me tell you. It's the best out of every single one of these. Okay, now that I erase that, L, blanket, O, P, I'm gonna put O, pink, and Y just to save time because I have a limited time here. Let's see. So W and L stand for length. With 2U and U stands for units. And then the pink one is also 2 units. Then the yellow one is 3 units. And then the length of the orange is 4 units. And then the length of the pink one is 6 units. And then the length of the yellow one is 4 units. Now it's going to be one more box.
Yellow blankets both have 12 squares. This means that they are the same size.
So the pink and yellow both have 12 squares, and then the orange one has 8 squares. So let's put down the S for size. Mine is a lot messier. 12U, 12U, and 8 units.
Mrs. Hall decides that she wants to redesign her backyard. Her backyard is a large rectangular space. There are many items that she would like to include in her new backyard design. A grass lawn, a flower bed, a fish pond, a long path, a vegetable plot, a tiled patio, and a picnic table.
That's a lot of stuff.
Mrs. Hall is wondering what information she will need to make sure that all the items will fit in the space available for her backyard.
So I'm not sure. So let's go to the next one. There's a glass lawn and everything.
We know that we can use measurement to determine how long or how wide an object is. How can we find how much two-dimensional space is covered by an object? Mrs. Hall wants to determine if all the items in her design can fit in her backyard. First, she needs to know the size of her backyard. She can measure the length and width, but she will need to know how much total space is inside her backyard. Next, Mrs. Hall needs to find out the size.
The total space is the area.
Design. The grass lawn, the path, and the fish pond are all rectangles, so she knows she can measure the length and the width. However, she will still need to know the total space each one takes up,
which is the area.
The vegetable plot and the patio are made up of rows of vegetable plants or tiles. Mrs. Hall can find out how much space one vegetable plant or one patio tile covers. Then she can count the vegetables and the tiles to find the total space they cover.
Space.
To find the size of the flower bed and the picnic table, Mrs. Hall needs to measure the total space covered by each one. When Mrs. Hall finds the total space available in her backyard, she is measuring the area of the backyard.
As I said.
She also needs to measure the area of each item she wants to put in her new backyard. To be sure all the items will fit in her backyard, the area of the backyard needs to be greater than or equal to the area of all the items combined. Area is the amount of two-dimensional space covered by a plane figure. Finding the area is one way to measure and describe a plane figure.
And that is the end of that video. So let's go into the next one. Gwen found many objects in the art collection. Which one of these objects have a right sentence? Explain your reasoning. So if we're going to write a sentence, I'd rather use the notepad. Write a sentence that explains reasoning. That's way too big. Edit, format. What? And by default, it also gives you the size. Okay, there we go. Now it's smaller. Paper, yarn, tabletop, board. I'm just shortening these. Pipe cleaner. Clay poster, class floor, paint. So 1 equals has area. So this paper has a 1. This tabletop has a 1. This board has a 1. The poster has a 1. And the floor has a 1. In the classroom floor, if you think about it, just think of it as this blank tab. And imagine it's blank. And that's your classroom floor if you're in school. Like, imagine this is your classroom floor. It has area, and it has tiles, right? Most people do. But it's going to have area. In a poster, let's go to Google Poster. And then, let's go to the images. Look. This has area. And the paper obviously has area because a poster is a piece of paper. It's the same thing. But a poster is advertising. It's literally the same thing. But I know that paint doesn't. Because look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't have area. Now, a board. I have a whiteboard at home, but a board. Look, a board. Area. And behind my monitor right now, there's a board. It has area. Area. And look at this. We're confirming everything with Google. Tabletop. Oh, that's not what I expected. Tabletop is a brand. But look, a tabletop! A tabletop is not the same thing as a board. But it's similar to a board, and it's also similar to a paper. Look at the pipe cleaner. It does not have area. And remember this. It has to be 2D. I mean, well, it doesn't have to be because my board is 2D. This table is 2D. Like, it doesn't have to be 2D, but it's supposed to be a 2D object. Paper. Area. Paper. Area. So, today, we understood the concept of area. And, yeah. Subscribe and like for more, because that's all for today. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Like, if you keep wanting me to do Learn Zillion, or if you want me to do Khan Academy again. Like, just tell me. And if you don't want me to use Learn Zillion, like LearnZillion.com, just put in the comment section down below which website you want me to use. So see you guys next time.